Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a timeline infographic using rotation motion. Our PowerPoint going to be like this. On click, there will be a vehicle will be coming out of the slide and it will be revealing the that year achievement of the company. And then it's moved to the next step and it will reveal the achievement of next year. Similarly, it will reveal one by one. The vehicle also moves with a spin animation with the wheel animation. Similar, I have different colors. I have created one more slide. This will be can be used for instead of timeline. You can use for other regular purpose also. I mentioned as MPT transporter. You can put any title and the detailed text of it. Okay, friends, let's go and learn how to make this in PowerPoint. Let's insert a blank slide. Go to insert, shapes, take a rectangle and we'll draw like this. We'll give a 6 centimeter width. Height we may give some 2.5 centimeter. Then we'll go to insert, shapes. We'll take this shape called top corners, one rounded and one snipped. Click on this and we'll draw like this and we'll adjust the yellow point like this and we'll insert shape like this. So this will give a effect like lorry or tempo. Then we'll select both, go to shape format, give a shape effects, we're going to give some 3D effect. We'll select this option, preset 7, and we'll change these colors. We'll give some orange color. Sorry, this one will give orange color, and this one we may give some this color. This one will make it orange. Sorry, let's continue. Sorry, this is the color I want to choose. Then let's go insert, shapes. Let's take a circle. We'll draw like this. We have to draw a wheel for it. Click a little bit, reduce it. We'll make it maybe 1.5 centimeter. And duplicate. We'll put one more here. And we'll hold the rectangle. First you select these both, align bottom to ensure that it is aligned properly. Click on this and this. Go to match shapes and subtract. Now we have to make a wheel for this. Go to insert, shapes, take a oval, hold the shift button, draw a circle like this, give a black background and take one more circle and draw in the center and align it to center and give the color to maybe this color, same color of this one, and go to insert, shapes. We'll take a stars and banner. We'll take a 4 points, shift and hold like this and slightly reduce the shape maybe to this level and we'll give a one black color for this and we'll place it in the center. So now our wheel is ready. Let's select all, Control G for group it, and we'll reduce the size or we'll change it to preset. Again we'll give effect, preset, we'll give this preset 7. reduce the size and place it in the wheel area. Control D, duplicate and paste it here in the wheel area. Now we have created the van or lorry. Now we'll give the motion path effect for this. Before that, control this, select this and this, make it control G, group it. So now we'll have three objects which we wanted to create animation, motion path animation. Go to animation, we'll open the animation pane. Then we'll select all three, go to add animation, we'll go to select motion path, lines. In that we'll select the left to right. Okay, before that we forgot to give the wheel rotating animation. We'll give first that, select both the wheels, go to add animation, we'll give a spin animation. So this is spin animation. For that we have to give 2.25 centimeter. I'll tell you why we are given 2.25 centimeter, and it has to rotate 3 times. We have to go to timings, duration, repeat. In this option we have to give 3 times. So it means the wheel has to rotate 3 times. Okay, so now this we have to give 0.75 cent. Let's give 0.7 seconds, and we'll give this 3 motion path has to be at a 2.25 seconds. We are given 0.75 over here with 3 rotation. It will come 2.25. So we have to give 2.25 for this one. Okay. So let's see whether how the vehicle moves. On click, it moves like this. Before that, we have to make this animation to with the previous, and both this, all the 3 motion path, we have to remove the smooth end and smooth start to 0. Okay, now let's see. So now we have created the effect. The vehicle is moving from one end to other end using motion path animation. Let's create the rectangle. Take a shape, draw a rectangle. Maybe it has to be at 6 centimeter width, which we are given for the vehicle size. We have to give 6 centimeter and ensure that it is coming above this. So what we have to make the alignment in such a way. We'll select all. Let's see where it is. So we need to slightly move right. This one will slightly will move it here. So we'll give, once this reaches here, this has to pop out. So we'll give animation, add animation, go to more emphasis in that, not emphasis, go to more entrance animation. There is the called stretch. I want to use the animation called stretch. That has to happen from the bottom. Okay, so after it's coming, we need to insert the text. You have to give year 2000, and we'll put it, we'll change this, maybe this one, bold, we'll make it bold, and we'll put it here, and take one more, control D, and whatever we want to write, we can write. I'll just putting replace your text here. So copy whatever you wanted to put it over here. Okay, let's change the color to white for both, and we'll increase this size maybe to 20. maybe 24, and put it in the center. And if required, we'll change this format to a 3D. Go to format, shape effects, preset. We'll select maybe this option, preset 6. Now let's see. This one has to happen after previous transitions. Let's see. Okay, now we have created the one set of infographics. Let's create one more. Go to, just copy this and Control D, duplicate and paste it here. Now we'll create the second set of thing. For that, select these shapes, go to animations, add animation, again select the motion path. We have to give from left to right. Now this picture has to come to here. For that, you have to click all these three shapes together, 1, 2, 3. You can see here there is a red dot is there. We have to drag it till this place. For example, you have to hold the shift button and drag it here exactly to this place. Okay, and similarly we have to drag this wheel to this area. Again we have to drag this to this back wheel. Okay, and we have to make sure that this has to start from the where it is left in the previous place. For example, the green button is a starting point. We have to bring it to this end point. Hold the shift button and drag it to this area. Similarly, take this green button and drag it and drop it here. Similarly, hold the shift button and drag this to put it here. Now this is the starting point. Let's see how it is works. Okay, so it is came to that. Now we have to give the same animation whatever we given. We'll go there and we'll select this with this 3. We'll make it 2.25 and we'll change this and smooth start to 0 and we'll make the wheel to rotate. Again, add animation, spin, go to animations, make it 0.75 seconds and right click, go to effect options, make it 3 times it has to rotate. So secondly, this has to happen with the previous. Let's change the color. Shape format will give some different color. Let's put a green color and let's see how it is animated. Okay, on click it will reveal the year 2000 achievement and the second one will reveal the 2000. Okay, so we are completed. Similarly, we can create as many you wanted. I have created a slide like this. So you can create like this. This template will be given to everybody for their use or learning. I have created some road effect, all those things. Thank you, friends. We have come to the end of this slide. If you like this video, please subscribe. like, comments, and click on the bell notification to get the new videos on every week. Thank you and bye.